Hello friends, welcome back to Fashion Blast, your favorite place of hairstyle inspiration and timeless beauty ideas. Today's video is all about flattering short haircuts and hairstyles for round faces in 2025. If you have got a round face and you are looking for a chic modern style that adds definition and balance, you are in right place. These styles are not just trending, they are designed to make your features stand out beauty while giving your face a slimmer, more elegant look. Let's start with one of the most stylish cuts, the angel loop. It's slightly longer on the front, shorter in the back, and works like magic for round faces. Then we have the pixie cut with side swept bangs, playful, confident, and perfect for highlighting your cheekbones. Another great option is the layered crop. Soft layers around the crown create the illusion of length and volume, making your face appear more defined. And if you love movement and texture, the shaggy shortcut is a fun, stylish choice that's low maintenance yet full of personality. For those who prefer something elegant and easy to style, the cheek length bob with volume on top is perfect. It draws the eyes, the balance facial features beautifully. When it comes the styling, here are a few simple tips of enhance to your look. Part your hair slightly off center or the side. It breaks up the symptom of a round face. Add soft waves or texture to create a slimming face. Remember, it's not about changing your face shape, it's about finding a haircut that celebrates your natural beauty and brings out your best features. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.